Welcome back, friends. So, we are seeing quite a lot of selling on the Indian stock markets. Today was another big sell off. Now, we have had a big sell off 5 days in a row. So, it's quite unnerving. In fact, the overseas markets have recovered a little, but Indian markets continue to fall, and there are questions whether a big crash or something is around the corner the way things are turning out to be. It's quite a fall in the Nifty, almost losing 1,000 points in just a few sessions. I, if you recollect, I had a video on 2021. I had mentioned that people are widely exuberant, and I had mentioned that there would be a range of 12,000 to 16,000 on the Nifty this year. We have seen a lot of selling. As far as I can see in the markets, and really, there is a lot I can say about today's markets and the reasons it fell and things like that. But I really don't want to bore you with a post-mortem of every day's markets. Sometimes I do, but I don't want to really. I just prefer to come to the point. So I see a reasonably good day. There was just some time back we had an overbought conditions in the market. Now we are seeing oversold conditions. Market should rebound tomorrow, I think, and it should be a good rebound. In fact, there could be a lot of short covering the way I see, which should be quite helpful to many people. And now whether this rebound will sustain next week, we have an action-packed week coming up with the budget to be announced on Monday morning. I don't think this week will be one way ride to heaven. You will see good amount of selling coming in once again. For those who need more details, hourly breakup of tomorrow, next week, please do get in touch with me on my WhatsApp number 982-086-1044, or those who would like to be a part of my Telegram channel, do get in touch. We can discuss this in more detail. And however, we should see a good rebound tomorrow and the next week. Selling is, I don't think, is still over. Okay, so where it will stop, where we are headed, where are the markets headed, do join me and be in touch. Telegram channel, we give a lot of this information in advance, so you can be a member, a subscriber, and do feel free to WhatsApp me on 982-086-1044. The Republic Day celebrations turned rather sour, with the farmers' agitation turning rather violent. Very surprising the turn that it took. One cannot generalize about any group of individuals or farmers or the people who are protesting and the people who went violent. People from Punjab and the Sikhs, they are known for their benevolence. The sacrifices of the Sikh community are immense. During any calamity, you take any calamity and you'll find that they open their doors, their gurudwaras, to people to come and eat for free. It's across the world. You go to London, you go to New York, go in any part. They have always had a very big heart. What has happened is an unfortunate of some few individuals. We should not generalize. The sacrifices of the Sikh gurus, Guru Tegh Bahadur Singh, Guru Gobind Singh, immense contribution they have made to the India, to the Hindu religion. Immense contribution. Sacrifices are something which cannot be even written or spoken easily. So I would still hope that people resort to non-violent methods of communication, sit across the table and work it out. And I hope and I believe that this is what is going to happen. So we should be seeing a rebound in markets, but sooner or later we'll see some fresh selling coming in next week. Do join in and keep in touch for another action packed week next week also on Dalal Street. Till then, happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.